Hi everyone. So today I'll give you a walkthrough to our block tag tabs where I would be making you familiar with how to use our reflection contract as well as the lottery. So let's get started. In order to use the platform, make sure you have your MetaMask installed and it's connected with the right chain and you have sufficient amount of balance within your wallet address as well. So now, in order to do it, make sure you click on the MetaMask button when you open the URL, right? Once you click on the MetaMask button, it will automatically connect to your wallet address and redirect to your home screen. So on the home screen, when the user selects a contract in which they want to invest, right? Whether they can choose reflection or lottery. So first, we'll go with the reflection contract, right? So for that, you need to click on the reflection one and click on the go button. So now once you click on the go button, you can see we are on the reflection dashboard where user can access detailed information about the contract, right? The contract name, the coin ticker, the contract address, as well as the current price. In the reflection contract, the user can simply enter the amount they wish to invest and receive an immediate return in BDAC coins equivalent to the invested amount. So on the left hand side, you can see we have the home menu. If I click on this, will be redirecting me to the screen where I can choose between the contracts again. This is my wallet address to which I'm connected. You can verify it. BA4 is in the end of it, and this is the same wallet address BA4. Now the next thing which you need to do is click on the reflection option on the left hand side. Now in the reflection screen, this will allow you to interact directly with the reflection contract by sending the coins, right? The contract send the BDEC coins back to the sender, where they are functioning as a self reflection process, where the user's coins are not distributed to other holders, but returned to uh, their wallet only. So, in order to do that, you need to enter the amount you wish to invest. So, I'm entering one BDAC, right? And once you click on the send button, make sure you have sufficient balance to proceed. So now comes the wallet confirmation pop-up where you need to confirm the transaction, right? So once you confirm the transaction, you can see our transaction is a success. And we can similarly copy the address, right? And check it on our Explorer as well to verify the transaction. So you can see this is our transaction, right? The timestamp. This was my wallet address, and this is the initiated to contract, and this is the internal transactions taken place, and the net transfer that has happened, and the transaction fee included to perform this action, as well as the gas price, which is currently, and the gas that is being used. So now let's move back to the home screen where now I'll be walking you through the lottery contract. So for the lottery contract again, make sure you are connected to the correct wallet address, right? And for this, let's choose the lottery contract option from the select contract drop down and click on the go button. So once you click on it, see you would be redirected to the lottery dashboard where you can see that we have contract name, the lottery number, and the time left in the lottery, and the results of it. So basically, lottery contract is where you can enter a selected amount of BDAC coins to participate in the current round, and the system will automatically update the participants list. Right? It will start displaying all the entries and the transaction details, where user can filter out or search a specific transaction they want to. They can track the remaining time for the ongoing lottery as well, and receive the notifications for the next event. So this makes the lottery contract more easier to understand. Now let's participate in the contract. In order to do so, you can see since no current lottery is being initiated. So in order to do so, let's participate it. For that, you need to click on the enter lottery option in the side menu and enter the amount you want to participate. Suppose I want to participate with 10 beta coins. I'll enter the respective amount and click on the send button. Now your MetaMask transaction confirmation pop-up will come up, and once that comes, you need to click on the confirm in order to do so, and you can see that the transaction is a success. Now you can see that I am the only participant who has bided 10 BDAX. This is my wallet address. And now when I move back to the transaction, you can see this is the current one, right? And you can see the time left as well. Now let's search the transaction which was a success on our Explorer. Now you can see this was the transaction 26 seconds ago, right? And I've done a transaction from my wallet address to the contract with 10 BTAX. This is the transaction fee. This is the current gas price and the gas used for doing the specific transaction. Now let's move back to the lottery, right? Now let's refresh it once. So after the specific time, I will start receiving the lottery amount. So this is all we had from the demo site. Thank you guys.